Welcome to Signing Day, presented by West 10 Media.
Great job as always, Laney Howe, but I'm going to go to the bullpen for a little relief.
All right.
So, yeah, that's a tough one to follow, Coach, but thanks, Coach San Fratello, for believing in me. Okay, signing day. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and most importantly, leave a comment on a student-athlete's journey to get to the next level. Enjoy the video.
No, he's already speaking. I'll eat every one of them. No, stop. Watch me. Want me to win. No, wait, man.
All right, thank you all for coming out. We're here to celebrate Tyler Morgan. I will say I've seen Tyler grow and mature over the last 4 years that I've been around him in high school. So this is an exciting moment to see that he is moving to the next level. So students that are here, Tyler is an example of a student athlete. Student comes first for a reason. He's sitting here because he's done what he needs to do in the classroom to move on to the next level. There are plenty of people that have the talent, but they don't take care of business in the classroom, and they don't have this opportunity. So I'm excited for y'all to be here. I'm excited for Tyler and his family. I know he's put in a lot of hard work, a lot of countless hours that people don't see. And so in the classroom and on the baseball field. So we're excited to see Tyler sign with Blue Mountain today. And so let's give him a hand.
Well, this is my first group that I've coached for all 4 years of their time in the program. It's been an honor to coach them, and like Mr. Perry said, see him develop as a ball player, but also as a young man. Had some rough times in there, but we worked through it together, and I'm proud of all the work that he's put in and the opportunity that he gets to compete at the next level.
Thanks everybody for coming out.
Speech.
All right.
Speech.
Great. Anyone else has any words to say before we do the official signing?
Doug, say something.
All right. Well, then if you're ready, let's put your name on the line.